Hi everybody, and welcome back to another tutorial of crocheting. We're going to see another border, another edging, cathedral stitch. It's the same stitch but with different yarn and crochet number. So in order to make this stitch, the cathedral stitch, we have to make a foundation chain of a multiple of 6 plus 1, and then make a chain and a single crochet here, and skip 2 stitches into the third, into the next one, the third, make 3 double crochets, 2, and 3, and then here we're going to make a picot stitch, which is 3 chains, and we're going to make here, down here, a slip stitch and 3 more double crochets into the same space, all 6 double crochets, and skip 2 stitches into the next one, make a single crochet. As you can see here, it's a shell stitch with a 6 double crochets shell stitch with a picot up here. Again, one more time, skip 2 stitches here into the third, make 3 double crochets, and then up here a picot stitch, which is 3 chains that we are going to close here with the slip stitch, and 3 more double crochets into the same space, and then skip 2 into the third, the last in this case because it's the end of the edging, make a single crochet stitch, and that's it. Thanks for being with me. Till next time, bye bye.